Hello friends, it is November 8th right now, and as you can see, my room is already decorated for Christmas. I did film a video on that. If you guys want to go watch it, I'll have it linked down below. Today, we are going to have the ultimate preparing for Christmas vlog. Now, I know I already decorated my room, so I will add a little montage of me doing that right now.
Shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter, perfect time to say.
But since I already decorated my room, I thought, you know what, why don't we just have the best Christmas day we can have? I'm in a really good mood and Christmas just makes me so happy, so I figured that this would be a good idea to film for you guys because I know you guys love Christmas as well. So in this video, we're gonna go to Target, we're gonna get decorations to decorate the rest of my house. We're going to bake some cookies, we're gonna make hot chocolate, we're gonna get Starbucks holiday drinks, we're gonna do a little taste test of some holiday food. So with all that being said, I think I talked enough. Right now, let's go to Target in my new car, which I'm so happy about. All right, a little outfit of the day. This sweatshirt, little sweater is from Boho. These jeans are from Garage. I'm wearing Air Force Ones, and this necklace is from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to go check it out. Let's go to Target. Now, I know I told you guys I was going to Target. However, I forgot. I'm actually going to Starbucks first to get a drink, and then I'm going to Target. So that's just a little update for you guys. We made it to Starbucks. I don't know what I should get. I want to get maybe a peppermint mocha, but I also did like the sugar cookie almond milk drink that I get with oat milk, but I think I might get a peppermint mocha just because I think I'll like it better.
Welcome to Starbucks. I got for you today.
Hi, can I have a tall peppermint mocha, please?
Sure. Anything else?
That'll be it.
May I have your name?
Sam, thank you.
You're welcome.
That was my first time ever ordering Starbucks in this car, just for documentation purposes. There'll be laughter, there'll be tears. Funny story, one time I came to Starbucks with my old car and I had just gotten my license at the time, and I popped a tire and I felt so bad because my friends were with me, and oh my gosh, I don't even know how I popped the tire because I guess I hit a curb, but I really don't feel like I was close to the curb. I personally think something was sticking out of the curb. However, that is just what I'm telling myself. I don't know if that's actually true, but I personally don't remember hitting the curb, and I didn't then either. It popped my tire so bad I had to go over to the parking lot that's over there, and my uncle had to come fix it. Then I had to go to a tire shop and actually get it fixed. It took so long. I made my mom come pick up my friends because I felt so bad, and then they winded up just coming back to the tire shop and staying with me because I was bored and I was really upset. But I don't know why, I just got reminded of that story. I think it's because this is a brand new car and at the time that was a brand new car. So good thing for growth, good thing for progress. I haven't popped a tire in 4 years, so I deserve a round of applause because 2017 was not my year with popping tires. I was popping tires left and right. I am going to Target after this, like I told you guys. Very exciting.
It's gonna be $9.81.
Thank you. All right, so I got my peppermint mocha. I know I just said I'm going to Target, but I of course have to try this really quick. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So good. Wow. Home from Target, and of course we're going to do a haul. So the first thing I got is some wrapping paper. Obviously I'm going to need wrapping paper to make this a Christmassy video and just to wrap all my Christmas gifts. The next thing I got is actually something I'm so excited about. So I got these really soft Christmas pajamas. So they look like this. They are the stars above ones in the jogger form, and I don't know, they're really soft. They have red and white stripes on them, and I thought it would be cool to get these. Next I have a classic house gingerbread kit. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. Usually I cannot make them. They never turn out good, but I don't know. I thought I would give it a try. Next thing I have is this little hat. So I saw this hat and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get this. It's so cute. So I'll be wearing this later in the video. Next we have, as you guys saw, the snowmen little Pillsbury cookies. I love these so much. I got the Christmas tree ones last time and I loved them. Then the next thing I got are some Oreo candy canes. They didn't have the original ones and I want to make hot chocolate, so I thought that it would be cool to put these in them. I also wanted to get marshmallows, but I forgot, so that's going to be the topper, I guess. I got some brownie mix because my brother wanted me to make holiday brownies for him. I have some whipped cream. They only had the extra creamy one, so that's what I got. Then I got this little hot chocolate mix. These are the Keurig K-Cup ones, just because this is like way easier for me to make. Then I got some red and green sprinkles. I did this because I want to make the brownies really holiday themed, so I want to put sprinkles on top and inside the batter because I think that would be cool. And then the last thing I got is just some Christmas lights. I feel like it wouldn't be a video if I didn't do some Christmas decorations, so I wanted to get lights as well. And then obviously I have some decorations at my house as well. Right now I actually have a Zoom call that I have to go on for one of my classes, so I'm going to do that and then I will continue this video a little later. Basically, it's a couple days later. I have some family stuff going on that I have to deal with at certain times, so I can't like film consecutively throughout the day right now. But with all that being said, it is a little later. It is a couple days later, like I said, and I'm going to do the kitchen part of this video. So I'm going to make brownies, cookies, and hot chocolate with you guys. I'll probably do it in a montage form just because I feel like it's more aesthetic if I do a montage of it, because I don't know, it gets me in like to the holiday mood. So with all that being said, I'm going to make my Pillsbury cookies, my brother's brownies, and then my hot chocolate, and then I will update you guys after that.
Christmas Day this year, I've got a plan, it's gonna be so lovely. On Christmas Day, my dear, I'm gonna get down on one knee. On Christmas Day this year, I'm gonna get my love a golden ring. On Christmas Day, my dear, on Christmas Day this year, on Christmas Day this year, on Christmas Day this year, on Christmas Day this year. I'm gonna ask my love to marry me on Christmas Day this year. All I want is for my love to say yes to me on Christmas Day, my dear. Oh my love, I can't hardly wait for Christmas Day this year. Our together forever begins on Christmas Day, my dear. I'm gonna love you all.
Hi guys, I have my little hat on. I don't know if I like it. It's a little weird, but I think it's cute at the same time. So I have my hot chocolate that I think looks amazing. I have an Oreo candy cane in here, some little whipped cream on the top with like sprinkles that I think looks really cute with my little cup. So I have that. It tastes really good. I also have these little snowman cookies that I made that I'm obsessed with. They are so good. If you haven't tried these before, I definitely recommend trying one. Let's give one a try. So good. They're literally like the perfect thing ever. I wanted to show you guys this candy cane. It melts so much when you put it in hot chocolate, and I find that so funny. Obviously it's going to melt, but it melted so fast and I was like, whoa. Then I have these little gingerbread men sweet and simple cookies from Pepperidge Farm. They are so good. I actually had them last year, but I want to try them right now again. So they look like this, very, very cute. Let's give one a try. Very good, very gingery, very sweet, and very sugary, which I like. I think that these are the perfect little treat to have. I'm going to go watch a movie now. My brownies are actually still in the oven, so I will show you guys those when they come out, but overall, everything is very good. I only had a pie pan to put them in, but these are the brownies. You can't really see the sprinkles, which is kind of annoying, but they smell really good. I just finished my movie. It was really good. I don't want to spoil it, but if you guys have not watched The Christmas Chronicles or Love Hard on Netflix, it is so good. I definitely recommend both of them because I really like them. It really gets me into like the Christmas spirit. But with all that being said, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to comment this emoji down below and give the video a huge thumbs up. With all that being said, let me know what you're looking forward to this Christmas season and any other videos you guys want to see from me, whether it's Christmas related, holiday related, or just in general. With all that being said, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys.